Did you know that one of the most significant threats to our health might be silently lurking within us, both silent and devastating? This threat is atherosclerosis, a condition that gradually narrows and hardens our arteries and can be the silent cause of heart attacks and strokes. But what if I told you that the power to change this condition and protect your health is closer than you might think? Would you be curious to learn how you can naturally combat this invisible menace? Today, we will reveal how you can ally with powerful natural guardians to fight and reduce atherosclerosis. We will explore which fruits have the power to keep your arteries clean and healthy, offering a better quality of life. Stay with us and discover the secrets to a longer, healthier life. Prepare yourself for a journey that could transform your health and your future. Atherosclerosis begins long before symptoms appear, often starting in childhood. This process involves the formation of fatty plaques on the walls of arteries, which accumulate over the years and compromise the vital blood flow to our organs, particularly the heart. You might wonder, what contributes to the formation of these dangerous plaques? The answer includes a combination of lifestyle factors, such as diets high in saturated fats and lack of physical activity, as well as genetic predispositions. However, the power to change is in our hands, and it begins with simple choices, like a balanced diet and regular physical activities. The consequences of atherosclerosis are severe and can affect several parts of the body. In the heart, it can cause heart attacks. In the brain, it can lead to strokes. And in the kidneys, it can result in kidney failure. Symptoms often appear when it's already too late, making early detection essential. And here enter our natural allies, fruits. They are powerful in the fight against arterial plaques thanks to their richness in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. Now, we will reveal our list of fruits that can change the course of your health. Fruit number 1, the avocado. Avocado is a remarkable fruit when it comes to combating atherosclerosis due to its unique nutritional profile, which offers multiple benefits for cardiovascular health. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid, avocado helps reduce total and LDL cholesterol levels while raising HDL levels, known as good cholesterol. This balance is crucial for preventing plaque formation in the arteries, which are the hallmark of atherosclerosis. Besides healthy fats, avocado is a plentiful source of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protects cells against free radical damage and helps prevent LDL oxidation. LDL oxidation is a process that significantly contributes to the development of atherosclerosis, as it makes cholesterol more prone to adhere and accumulate in the artery walls. Avocado also contains soluble fibers, which play a role in reducing blood cholesterol levels. These fibers help bind with cholesterol and other substances in the digestive tract, facilitating their elimination from the body before they can be absorbed and reducing clogging plaques. In addition, avocado is rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, another key factor in cardiovascular health and the prevention of atherosclerosis. Fruit number 2, the blueberries. Blueberries are extremely effective in combating atherosclerosis due to their dense concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which not only give these fruits their characteristic blue-violet color, but also play a crucial role in preventing plaque accumulation in the arteries. These compounds help combat the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. When LDL is oxidized, it becomes more adherent to artery walls, initiating and accelerating the atherosclerosis process. The antioxidant action of blueberries helps neutralize these free radicals, reducing LDL cholesterol oxidation. Besides antioxidants, blueberries are rich in soluble fibers and nutrients that contribute to cardiovascular health in several ways. The fibers help reduce overall cholesterol levels in the blood, also contributing to the decrease in plaque accumulation risk. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve endothelial function, which is the artery's ability to dilate and contract properly, a key indicator of arterial health. Incorporating blueberries into the diet not only helps reduce atherosclerosis progression, but can also offer additional benefits, such as improving blood pressure and anti-inflammatory effects that are vital for cardiovascular health. You can regularly consume blueberries, whether in juice, smoothies, or directly as fresh or frozen fruit. Fruit number 3, the apple. The apple is a potent fruit in the fight against atherosclerosis. The role of the apple in atherosclerosis is primarily due to its rich composition of soluble fibers, antioxidants, quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid. These nutrients help protect our body's cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and can help prevent the oxidation of LDL, crucial to the formation of fatty plaques and blockages in the arteries. The pectin, a soluble fiber found abundantly in apples, helps reduce levels of bad cholesterol, known as LDL, by binding with cholesterol in the intestine and facilitating its elimination from the body. This direct effect on reducing bad cholesterol is crucial, as lower levels of LDL are associated with a reduced likelihood of plaque formation in the arteries, helping to prevent clogged veins. Apple fibers not only help reduce cholesterol but also promote digestive health, which can influence cardiovascular health. A healthy digestive system can help efficiently remove toxins and better absorb essential nutrients that protect against heart disease. Moreover, antioxidants, such as quercetin and flavonoids, present in apples protect the cells from the harmful effects of free radicals and strengthen the arterial walls, reducing inflammation and preventing the progression of atherosclerosis. Studies have correlated regular consumption of fiber-rich and antioxidant-rich fruits, like the apple, with a reduction in the risk of heart diseases, underscoring the importance of incorporating this fruit into your daily routine to maintain vascular and heart health. Moreover, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in apples work together to reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the main factors contributing to the development of atherosclerosis. Fruit number 4, the passion fruit. Passion fruit is a tropical fruit that offers unique benefits for cardiovascular health, helping to prevent atherosclerosis in several ways. One of the main components of passion fruit is picotanol, a substance that has shown promise in studies to reduce artery stiffness and improve vascular function. This compound works through mechanisms involving cholesterol metabolism modulation and protection against oxidative damage in artery cells. Moreover, passion fruit is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that not only combats free radicals, but is also crucial for collagen synthesis, an important protein for the health and integrity of arterial walls. Vitamin C helps keep arteries flexible and resistant to damage, which can prevent or slow down the atherosclerosis process. Passion fruit also offers a good amount of dietary fiber, which helps regulate blood lipid levels, reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL. The fibers further help maintain a healthy digestive system, which is directly linked to cardiovascular health, aiding in the prevention of atherosclerosis. Moreover, this fruit is a source of potassium, which plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, essential to avoid excessive stress on arteries that can lead to atherosclerosis. Fruit number 5, the pomegranate. Pomegranate is a strong ally in the prevention of atherosclerosis, not only due to antioxidants, but also due to its ability to positively influence blood pressure and vascular health specifically. A notable compound in pomegranate is punicalagin, which contributes to blood pressure reduction by relaxing blood vessels and improving blood circulation. This vasodilatory effect is essential for preventing arterial overload, which can help reduce the risk of developing atherosclerotic plaques. Moreover, pomegranate has proven effective in reducing platelet aggregation, the process by which blood platelets form clots. By decreasing this clotting ability, pomegranate helps prevent the formation of clots that can clog arteries and lead to more severe cardiovascular complications, such as heart attacks. Another important aspect is pomegranate's ability to improve the lipid profile. Studies indicate that regular pomegranate consumption can result in a reduction in total cholesterol levels, and specifically, an increase in HDL cholesterol. This type of cholesterol helps remove other forms of cholesterol from the blood, including LDL, which contributes to plaque formation. Pomegranate consumption is also associated with the reduction of inflammatory markers in the body, such as C-reactive protein, which is often elevated in states of chronic inflammation, including those accompanying atherosclerosis. Ways of consumption, whether natural, in juice, or via extracts. Its seeds enrich salads and yogurts, and are also tasty by themselves. Pomegranate juice is a concentrated option that offers significant benefits for heart health. If you found this video useful, consider liking it and sharing it with friends and family. You never know who might benefit from this information today. Thanks for tuning in. Stay healthy and happy until next time.